Python is a high-level, versatile, and beginner-friendly programming language that has gained immense popularity in recent years. Whether you're just starting your programming journey or looking to expand your skills, Python is an excellent choice due to its simplicity, versatility, and widespread use in various domains. Importance of learning Python 1. Ease of learning. Python's syntax is clear and easy to read, making it an ideal choice for beginners. It emphasizes code readability and allows developers to express concepts in fewer lines of code compared to languages like C++ or Java. 2. Versatility. Python is a multi-purpose language. It can be used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. This versatility means that learning Python opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities. 3. Community and resources. Python has a vast and active community of developers. This means you'll find plenty of tutorials, documentation, and forums to help you learn and solve problems. The community also contributes to a vast library of pre-built modules and packages that can save you time and effort. 4. High demand in the job market. Python's popularity in data science, web development, and machine learning has led to a high demand for Python developers. Learning Python can significantly enhance your employability and job prospects. Advantages of learning Python. 1. Readability. Python's indentation-based formatting enforces clean and readable code, making it easier for developers to collaborate and maintain projects. 2. Abundance of libraries. Python's standard library contains a wide range of modules and packages, reducing the need to write code from scratch. This helps you save time and avoid reinventing the wheel. 3. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is available on various platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. You can write code once and run it on multiple operating systems. 4. Support for integration. Python easily integrates with other languages, allowing you to use Python in conjunction with C, C++, and Java. This is crucial in various software development scenarios. 5. Rich ecosystem for data science and machine learning. Python is the go-to language for data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow make it a preferred choice in these domains. 6. Open source and free. Python is open source and free to use. You can download and install it without any cost, and it's supported by a large and active community. Steps to follow while getting started with Python. To start your journey with Python, you can follow these simple steps. 1. Installation. Download Python from the official website python.org and install it on your computer. 2. Learning resources. Explore online tutorials, courses, and books. Some popular resources for beginners include Codecademy, python.org, *s official documentation, and Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart. 3. Practice. The best way to learn Python is by writing code. Start with simple projects, such as creating a calculator or a to-do list application. 4. Collaborate. Join Python communities, forums, or local meetups to connect with other Python enthusiasts. Collaboration and peer support can be invaluable for your learning journey. In conclusion, Python is an excellent choice for beginners due to its simplicity, versatility, and the numerous opportunities it offers. Whether you want to build websites, analyze data, create AI applications, or simply enjoy the process of programming, Python is a language that can take you far in your journey as a programmer. So, why wait? Start your Python adventure today. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.